there any mention of wheat versus rice diet for diabetic patients? So the question is wheat versus rice diet for diabetic patients with Ayurvedic reference. There are conflicting opinions on this, and would love to hear your thoughts, sir.
Let me make it very clear. Many a times I do come across a lot of patients with diabetes, and the same thing they are saying that we have stopped eating rice, we have stopped eating that one. No, this is a nonsense, total nonsense. Whatever you are eating, if it is excess to you, definitely will make you to land up in diabetes. It may be wheat, it may be rice, it may be what you call ragi or the black millet, it may be even jowar, it may be what sort of cereal you are eating, whatever it is. If you are eating things in excess, definitely that the excess is going to cause the disease. It is not the rice which is going to cause the disease. So it's any form of carbohydrates. If you are taking any source, so that carbohydrate richness is going to cause the problem. So as far as it's very clearly say in Ayurveda, we try to understand the disease of prameha, the nidana, it's very clearly said, swapna sukham, asya sukham. So whatever because of the interest to eat more and more thing, people are consuming a lot of diet and anticipate that they'll shift it from rice to wheat or from wheat to siridhanya or something like that, or millets or something like that. No, it is the things that you need to expend the material what you are taken in, energy in the form of body what you are receiving, it has to be expended. It should to stay down in the body. Second thing, we need to consume less. If less quantity of food is taken, then automatically our energy intake is reduced, and whatever we use it as a mechanism of exercises and all those things, through that energy is lost, then automatically blood sugar level will be in control. So it is better to understand in this way rather than just giving another material. And even many times I feel patients are asking what should be eaten for the control diabetes. I said, don't eat. Eating is a problem. You need to cut down on eating. Don't ask me that what should be eaten, taken in case of diabetes. It is not the right type of question. So cut down on intake. That is the right type of message what I have to give here.
Pradeepaji, please go ahead.
I'm sorry, he mentioned about Siridhanya. I was going to ask about it, but same thing, right? Because we see clients coming in. Most of these clients have Indian background. And some of them also come to us saying, we're completely cutting down the carbs because I'm a diabetic. So what are your thoughts on that?
See, you cannot totally cut down the carbohydrates. We have carbohydrates in many of the wide variety of materials available in this universe, and we will be taking it. And our first important thing is we cannot 100% cut off the carbohydrate, because our brain tissues and functions only on carbohydrate. We need to give carbohydrate. We cannot. So there will be certain amount of carbohydrate richness is there that can be brought down by alternating with the intake, or reduce the total diet quantum and reduce the intake. So if that is balanced, then automatically things will settle down. No need to go for a total cutoff of carbohydrates. That is not even right way of doing it.